Hello and welcome back. If you're enjoying our lessons, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Today we're talking about something modern, mobile apps. Many people use apps on their phones every day. I want to share about my favorite app. My favorite app is WhatsApp. I use it every day to talk with my family and friends. With WhatsApp, I send messages, pictures, and voice notes. I can also make calls and video calls. I like it because it is easy and free. The app has a simple green icon with a white phone. When I open it, I see my chats. I can see who is online and what time they were last active. I can also make groups. In my family group, we share news, photos, and funny videos. WhatsApp helped me stay close to my brother who lives in another city. We talk every day at night. He sends me photos of his cat, and I send him photos of my lunch. Using apps also requires internet. I use Wi-Fi at home and mobile data when I am outside. The app works well in both situations. Do you have a favorite app? Maybe Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or another. What do you use it for? Write your answer in English in the comments. Your turn. In the comments, write, "My favorite app is because it helps me." Try to write at least one sentence in English. It's great practice. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next time.